Hi there, I'm Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I'm going to show you another sewing machine. This is a Kenmore model 1946. This is one of the convertible flatbed to free arm machines. And that convertible meaning that this little extension table slides off all the way to expose your free arm. And if you don't need to take off the whole extension and you need bobbin access, the little top panel comes off. There's your bobbin access, and there's your feed dog drop here. It's a low shank machine, all metal. It's in very good cosmetic condition. Stitch selectors here on the top. You got straight zigzag, you got stretch stitches, you got multi-point zigzag, and you have blind stitch. Adjustable stitch width here, buttonholer, adjustable stitch length, reverse lever, and bobbin winder on the top. Very good working machine. It's a low shank. Comes with a box of accessories and bobbins, and a PDF copy of the instruction manual will be emailed to you after purchase. I'm actually doing some quilting with it right now, so I just thought I would turn on my camera and run through some stitches. I love these Kenmores. They're very smooth. This one is just freshly serviced and ready to go. Let me see. I had a piece of denim here somewhere. Doonch new air twinch. Oh well. The machine will sew through leather and denim without much problem. Of course, I don't have it here. Here's a piece of denim. I'll just run it through here in a minute. But I'm going to sew these together so you can hear it work. It's a very smooth running machine. Try not to kick the camera while I do this. Stop and keep my fabric in place here. It's hard to do standing up also. As you can see, it'll go. Go, go, go. Nice little machine. I got some denim here. That'll be 4 layers I'm going to send through. See, it has no problem with multiple layers of denim. And it's quiet as a mouse, too. Love it, love it. As you can see, thicker layers of fabric aren't going to be a problem. And that is your Kenmore Convertible Free Arm Model 1946.